Hello guys. So we were doing current affairs from 7th July to 17th of July. So this is the part 4 of that series. So let's start. So the first current affair is, in this video, government of Bangladesh started a website known as Digital Heart. And what will happen in this website? Sell as well as purchase of sacrificial animal ahead of festival Eid-ul-Adha. So because of this coronavirus, people were not going out and hence they are not able to purchase or sell this sacrificial animal. So they created a system, that is Digital Heart, where you can sell your animal as well as where you can purchase. So next is about three castes actually: Rabadi caste, Bharwad caste and Charan caste. That is, you can write it like RBC. RBC is nothing but blood. So R is for Rabadi, not Rabadi, Bharwad and Charan. So actually they used to live in the Ness area of Gir forest. So there was an issue actually. There was a problem. The problem was some other caste people also claiming that we live in this area, and hence to solve this problem, Gujarat government had constituted 5-member commission. Okay, so this is another news where it says Instagram is going to start a short video like feature app. The name of this app will be Reels, and this will be released in August. Okay, so the company expects to bring the new video feature, which is designed especially for short form creative content, okay, to its platform in August. And I'm very sorry, I have missed something. Like, this will not be a new app. This will be in Instagram itself. So in Instagram itself, they'll create Reels. Okay. So this is news from ISRO. ISRO Chief Dr. Kailash Vaidevu, that is K7. K7 is going to get 2021 Karman Award, and this award is given by International Academy of Astronautics. Okay, this award, which is the highest distinction of the Academy, will be conferred in March 2021 in Paris. So this guy, Dr. D7, will get won Karman Award. Okay, so I hope you know about RT-PCR. RT-PCR is actually gold standard test for COVID-19. But the problem with this RT-PCR is, it takes lots of time to give you result, and it needs lots of manpower to conduct this test. But there is a good news. MyLab Discovery Solution has launched India's first machine to automate manual process. So now this process will be automated. So RT-PCR process will be automated by MyDiscovery Solution. Why it is helpful? Because now we can get result very, very faster. Okay, so now you should know USA is India's top trading partner. I think this is second year in a row. Okay, so no other country but USA is India's top trading partner. Okay, and NTPC, I hope you know, is a central PSU under Ministry of Power, has won the prestigious CII ITC Sustainability Award. So NTPC won CII ITC Sustainability Award. Okay, sustainability. Okay, why they have won? For an outstanding accomplishment in corporate excellence category. Okay, you should know who is the new Polish president. His name is Andrzej Duda. So this is important. Andrzej Duda is new Polish president. Okay, Indian Railway loaded special parcel train beyond the country to Banapole. Banapole is in Bangladesh. And what Indian Railway has sent to Banapole? Indian Railway has actually sent the dry chilies. Okay, from Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, next is UNICEF India has launched its partnership with Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce, that is FICCI, Socio-Economic Development Foundation, that is SEDF, to jointly develop UNICEF's Reimagine campaign. So what this Reimagine campaign will do? It will support most vulnerable population and children during COVID-19 response and after COVID-19. Okay. Okay. World's Youth Skill Day is on 15th of July, and it highlights the opportunity and challenges that young people face in employment, and this year theme is skills for resilient youth. So you need to remember what is the theme of World's Youth Skill Day, that is skill for resilient youth. Okay, Google India on Monday announced, not this Monday, last Monday, forget about which Monday, announced that Central Board of Secondary Education at the 6th edition of Google for India. So there is a conference by Google India, that is Google for India, that they will train 1 million teacher across 22,000 schools by end of 2020. So the aim is to train 1 million teacher so that they can use this online platform to teach students. Okay, and google.org also gave 1 million grant to Cavalier Education Foundation as a part of distance learning fund. Okay. Okay, another thing, Poba Reserve Forest in Assam will be upgraded to wildlife sanctuary. So guys, I'll stop here for this video. I'll continue in the next video. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.